Rolling power outages across Taiwan. Jin and Xiao Su are talking about what they should do if the electricity goes off.
What does this text message say?
It's an emergency text from the government. It says that power will be shut down in this part of the city for 2 hours today.
Why is that? What time will that happen?
It's called a rolling power outage, and we won't have electricity from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and again from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m.
Why do they do it like that?
The announcement says one of the big electricity grids is out in Taichung. Different parts of Taiwan will be without power for 1 hour at a time.
So if it's only 1 hour, then food in the fridge won't go bad, right?
Generally, people don't mind the trouble if it's only for a short time. Would you rather have no air conditioning for an hour in the morning and another hour in the afternoon, or 2 hours in a row?
Probably the former. Let's hope the problem is dealt with quickly.
The text says by 9 p.m. tonight, all the power will be back across Taiwan.
That's a relief. I'm going to go plug my phone in right now so it's charged when the power is out.
Me too.